Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to import a GLTF file into Blockbench. GLTF is commonly used for models with animations, materials, and textures. First, open Blockbench. Blockbench does not natively support GLTF imports, but there is a plugin that allows this. Go to File in the menu bar, then select Plugins. Search for GLTF importer and install it. Once the plugin is installed, start a generic model project. Go back to File in the menu bar and select Import. Choose Import GLTF model. Locate your file and open it. Once the model loads, check the scale, rotations, textures, and animations to make sure everything imported correctly. And that's how to import a GLTF file into Blockbench. Thank you so much for watching.